we're back. I had to go get some modified parts so I could put this together, but you'll see what I'm about to do. So I'm going to put these two red 1x4s together. Now I'm going to put this on here. It tells me which way to do this. So I have to go like this. And take this part and put it in like okay. Have to put it in there like this. And close that so it'll swing open and come back down. Then I'm going to put this on top of here like that. And this is going to go here. Oh, I don't think you saw that, but that's okay because it went right there. Then I'll make a small passage here. Like this. I'll put this over here. Oh, and then I'll show you something that I had to do, which was kind of ridiculous, but I had to do it anyway. All right, so I'm going to put this here, like this. That's how that's going to go. And then this goes here, like that. And then this one goes here like that, and then there's this long one that goes from here to there. And then I'll show you something really cool. So I had to go upstairs and get some parts. I had to get a white lot with 3 of these 1x4 flats and then these bricks, because I'll show you what's going to go there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this together for you, and then there's a sticker that's going to hide all this. That together like that. Put that down. Just to show you, I've got the sticker right here. It's going to go on there. And this is going to go, yep, like that. There you go. See? You won't even see it. It's there. Oh, and I've got to put this back piece on. That goes there, like that. And then this one goes here. Okay. Then this pops in right there. It goes right like that. There you go. Just like that. More little details for the office. This is going to keep popping off on me, but that's okay. Alright. So I got all that in there. Oh, you know what? I owe you a sticker, don't I? No, I put it on there. Okay. I was going to say, don't I owe you a sticker? No, I don't. Okay. Alright. Like, subscribe, and comment on the video if you like it. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.